Did you ever notice how some people treat others? We like people who are polite. We should always try to be thoughtful. When we talk on the telephone, we should be kind and considerate. Let's learn some ways to be kind and considerate on the telephone. It's really very simple if you know 3 words: please, thank you, and I'm sorry. On the telephone, these are almost words of magic. Let's take the word please first. You always say please when you ask for someone, like this.
May I speak to Mrs. Jones, please?
If you ask someone to wait, you would say please, like this.
Wait just a moment, please.
That is how you would use the word please. Another word of magic is thank you. You always say thank you when someone does something for you.
Billy, this is Mr. Harris. Mr. Jones wants a boy to work at 9 a.m. Saturday. He lives at 18 South 2nd Street. Will you be sure to tell him all of that for me?
I'll deliver the message, Mr. Harris.
Thank you very much.
The person who says thank you is kind and considerate. You also say thank you if you ask someone to repeat a message so you can write it down.
And your name is Mrs. Jones? And you wanted her to call you at 1726. Thank you, Mrs. Jones.
The last magic word is I'm sorry. You say I'm sorry when you get the wrong number, like this.
Jones residence, Ralph Jones speaking.
May I speak to Mr. Boville, please?
No, Mr. Bovey doesn't live here.
Is this 1034?
No, this is 1036.
I'm sorry. I must have the wrong number.
Sometimes when you answer the phone, you get a hard one. Listen.
Please tell Mrs. Youngquist that the Bridge Club won't meet at Mrs. Jurgensen's tonight, but rather at Mrs. Christopherson's, and to bring the minutes of the last meeting.
In this case, you'll need all 3 magic words.
I am sorry, but I did not understand you. Would you please say it again? I will write it down.
When people know that you are writing, they will talk more slowly.
I will see that she gets your message, Miss Johnson. Thank you.
Here is another thing. Never yell into a phone.
Boys dormitory, building 21, 2nd floor. Jimmy Shorty speaking.
This is Mr. Brewster. Is Joe Yazzie there? I have a job for him.
I don't know. Hey, Joe!
Here is a better way to handle that call.
Is Joe Yazzie there? I have a job for him.
I'll see you. Wait just a moment, please.
Put the phone down carefully. Then look for the person being called. This is the right way. If you were working in someone's home, you would handle the call in the same way.
May I speak to Mrs. Youngquist, please?
Wait just a moment, please.
Put the phone down carefully, then go tell the person.
You are wanted on the telephone, Mrs. Youngquist.
All right, thank you.
Remember the 3 magic words.
May I speak to Mrs. Jones, please?
Wait just a moment, please.
I'll tell Mr. Harris right away. Thank you. Is Mr. Smith there?
No, he doesn't live here.
I'm sorry. I must have the wrong number.
These words are important when you are using the telephone. They will help you to be kind and considerate of other people.